see. Okay,
Let's go to the quiz.
we're on the homework questions.
Do we need to go over them?
Or do you just want to take the quiz? Was there any question? Anybody have any problems with anything? Let's just run through the questions really quick.
Okay.
Let's just give the answers. So number 1 is 90%.
Yes.
Okay. 2, I've got the median price for homes in Madison County is between 225,500 and 341,800.
Yes.
Okay.
Correct.
Number 3, 0.95.
Number 3, I got it is either 0 or 1. It can only be 0 or 1 because we cannot say with certainty because the population mean does not change. So it's not really a statistic. It's not a
I know. Do you want to? I'm going to try to pull up the homework answers and see.
Do you want me to read it to you?
Do you have the answers?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Then, yeah, read it.
Okay. It says the probability is either 0 or 1.
Okay.
This is because the true mean is a fixed value that does not change. The sample mean varies depending on the random sample that was collected, and therefore so does the confidence interval. A probability expresses the proportion of the times that an event happens if a random process is repeated over and over again. The population mean does not change, so you cannot have a probability associated with it. It may be between 225,500,000 and 341,800,000, or it may not. But it will either be in that interval 100% of the time or 0% of the time.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Thank you for clarifying. Okay. Do you want to go read number 4?
Sure. List the 3 requirements that should be met when computing a confidence interval for a mean with sigma known. A simple random sample is taken from a population. It has a normal sample distribution, and the sigma is assumed to be known.
Okay.
Okay, number 5. What is the point estimate for the population mean? There's that tricky one that I always mess up on. It's the mean, which is 9.2.
Mm-hmm.
Number 6. Okay, so the margin of error is it at 322?
Yeah, 0.322.
Yeah, 0.322. And the confidence interval for 90% of that equation is between 8.878 and 9.522. Is that what you guys got?
Yep.
Okay. And the confidence interval for number 8 is 8.817 to 9.583.
Okay.
Then I'll read the next one and someone else can go. The 99% confidence interval for the same problem is 8.696 to 9.704. I had a question on this one though. It had me round, I got the answer wrong at first because it had me round the large number, but the bottom number it didn't round. It kept it the same. So I didn't know why you would round one and not the other.
Yeah, that's weird.
Did you guys have that problem?
I can't remember.
I probably just plugged it in wrong.
Yeah, I don't have that one written down. I might not.
Okay, that's okay.
Okay. Ricardo, do you want to go take the next couple? Did we lose Ricardo?
Maybe he fell asleep.
That's the picture of him.
Yes. if we hear snoring.
Okay, we'll just go on. He'll join us back or he won't. What are we on? Okay.
We're on 10.
Okay, I've got the higher the confidence percent, the bigger the confident interval will be.
Yes.
Okay. 11, I have n equals 2760.
Yes.
I have a note to always round that up.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. 12, what is the point estimate for the population mean? 0.16. Find the margin of error, and I got 0.006.
Mm-hmm.
14, I've got 1.54 to 1.66.
Is it 1 point? Because I got 0.166.
I've got,
Because it would be 0.154, right? And then 0.166.
I don't know. Check the homework on that.
Oh, yeah. Let me check the answer. Okay, so 14. Yeah, it's 0.154.
Okay, so I've
And
got my decimal wrong spot. That's not good. Thanks for catching up. 0.154 and 0.166.
Yes.
Okay. So we are 95% confident the true mean BAC is between 0.154 and 0.166.
Do you want me to do the next couple?
Yeah, if you want.
Okay. For 16, it's as sample size increases, the interval width decreases. So the larger the sample, the less of an interval.
Right. We skipped 15.
Oh. I thought you answered it.
No, I did 14. Oh, and is it 0.155?
The same answer, but you you answered that one too because you said you're 95% sure.
Oh, that was 14. And then,
Well, for the 15, for 14, you just found the answer. For 15, you said, what is the interpretation? Which is exactly what you said.
okay. And the number changed, but the number changed a little bit.
No, let me see.
Because I got 1.55.
And then 1.65.
65. Yeah.
Why would that be?
I don't know. That would be. Should be small.
Whatever.
That's what the answer says, right?
Yeah, it is. Okay.
So
So now we're on 17, right?
16 again was the sample size went up and the interval went down.
Yes.
17.
17, I just put it seems reasonable.
Okay, and I put we cannot be completely certain, but we can see that is within the range of possible values.
Yes.
Possibility. Lots of possibles in there.
For 18, I got 6.147.
I just got 6147. I didn't put a point in there anywhere.
Oh, maybe it's a comma.
I don't know.
Yeah, I'm sure I just put the comma and I thought it was a point. Let me see.
Okay. And then 19, we typically want to get the best estimate possible. Why don't we simply compute a 100% confidence interval for the mean? And so I had to look this one up because it was making sense. It's like, but we would take the whole population. We would not need to have a confidence level because we would have the whole test statistics. We'd have everybody, right?
Yeah, and it's not, I put it's not practical to get information on an entire population.
Right. Okay, and 20. So which of the following explanations describes the correct way of interpreting a 95% confidence interval? I've got number 2. We are 95% confident that the true mean is between the lower and upper bounds. And then I got 3. Approximately 95% of all 95% confident intervals will contain the true mean.
Yes.
Okay, which is kind of really talk.
Which you want to pay attention to that question on the homework quiz. I don't know if you already took it.
Oh, I haven't. No. Okay, good to know. Thanks. I do that homework quiz last.
I usually do too, but I was pretty confident I could do it, so. Now, what do we do about the group quiz? Because
Oh no, he can probably take it on his own.
yeah, I'm sure he'll pass.
Just write in that he attended for a few minutes, but then something happened. He was here.
He tried, 11 o'clock.
No, I think,
Okay, so we'll go into the quiz.
okay, yep. My computer is acting funny today. I can't get on the quiz. Let me see if I can reload it. Like my whole thing is frozen.
Oh,
Okay. I've got to hold on. Sorry, I've got to reload the whole page. It totally froze up. Ricardo will probably do okay on the quiz without us. It's us that I worry about.
yeah. Yeah, but will we be okay without him?
Right, I know. That's what I'm saying. It's us I worry about. Okay, let's see if I can. Okay, now it's starting. That was weird. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
So I'll start, I guess. While you are required to work together, let's see. Find the margin of error for a 90% confidence interval when the standard deviation is 50 and n is the sample size. So
I don't have my probability.
okay, I've
So with 90, it's
we've got those numbers. I wrote them down. 1.645.
okay, 1.645.
Find them. Oh, margin of error. Okay, that's the one I have trouble with.
So wouldn't we do 1.645 times 50 over 25 squared?
50 divided by.
What did I put? What did I say?
I didn't say divided.
Oh, sorry. In my head, I did.
Okay, what did you get?
0.1316.
I did not get that at all.
Okay, let me do it again.
I think I'm wrong. So 1.645 times standard deviation 50.
I got the same thing.
I got 16.45. How did I get that?
Let me see something. I hate this calculator because let me make sure I'm not doing to the power of, I'm just doing squared. Let me do it on the other calculator. Did you get 16.45?
Yeah, I think so. I'm just redoing it again.
That's what I got now.
645 times 50 divided by the second root of 25. 1645.
Yep,
Yeah, so I got 3 times. So
yep. I was just doing it wrong. Sorry about that.
that's okay, because I'm never confident in what I'm doing most of the time.
I bought this expensive calculator and then it's just horrible. I used my son's calculator I got from the Dollar Tree.
I use my phone. I downloaded a what did I do? TI 84 Plus on my phone.
Oh, does that work good for you?
It works
I'll
for
have to do that.
So,
All right.
Texas Instruments. Okay, which of the following statements is true?
Oh, brother. Okay. I have to think about each and every one.
Okay, let's see. I've got this highlighted somewhere.
Ricardo, where are you?
No, I can't. This doesn't even speak English.
I don't remember hearing that, any of it.
I know. Well, I'm thinking it's either X is the point thing, the point.
Yeah.
So it's got to be the point estimator.
Yeah, I'm thinking it's either X is for mu or mu is for X.
Okay, I got it right here. The
Oh.
best point estimate of a population mean is the sample mean, or X.
Okay, I'm going to write that down.
So which one is we're going to interpret
I
that?
think X is a point estimator of mu.
So the best point estimate of a population mean is the sample mean.
Yeah, so X is a point estimator of mu.
Okay. Oh, my computer is freezing up again. There it goes. Okay. Don't do that to me. Okay, I knew I had some information on that. Okay, Gina wants to construct a 95% confidence interval for GMAT score. She knows the standard deviation. She collects a simple random sample and computes the X bar. Use this information. I'm going to write that down.
What is the point estimate? That's the mean, right? So then that would be 526.
I gotta get. So 526. My computer is. Something's wrong with my computer today. 526. Okay. What is the margin of error for the 95% confidence level? So let's do our little margin of error calculation.
Okay, so then that would be,
We are looking for 95. That is 1.96
okay, let's see.
times 113 divided by second 64. The square root of 64. What'd you get?
I got 27.685.
My computer is not letting me.
27.685.
Hold on. 27. Like, oh, this is going to drive me crazy. I might have to write the answer down on a piece of paper and go back because my computer's not letting me write. So hold on a second.
Okay.
I can't even scroll now. So you give me the answer to number 1.
Yes, let me go back. Okay, so number 1, or question 3, is 16.45.
Okay. 4.
Question 4 is X is a point estimator of mu. And then question 5 is 526.
6. 6. Okay. Oh, now it's starting. Okay, now it's working again. And then 20. Number 6.
Number 6 is 27.685.
I am getting like pop-ups. It's on
Oh
the
man, what a
site.
bummer.
Okay.
Hopefully you don't have a bug or something.
It looks like it is. Every time I click on something, I'm getting a pop-up. Okay. Let's do this. The lower limit of this confidence interval. So that is 1.96. Wait. First, it is 526 minus 1.96 times 113 divided by square root of 64 equation. Okay, did you get that?
I got 498.315.
That's what I got.
Okay. And for the upper bound, I got 553.685.
I haven't done that yet because my computer again is frozen again.
Oh, bummer.
5, 2, 6. Nope, I did it wrong. Hold on. Five, 5, 3.
Yeah, 553.685.
5. Okay, let me write. Let's see if I can type it in. 4. Nope, I can't type on my computer. Hold on. Okay, so
I would write them down anyways, even if you
number 7 is
498.315.
8 is 5, 5, 3, 6, 8, 5. For number 8, 553.685.
Yes.
Okay. Number, I can't see the question for number 9. I can't even scroll.
Okay, so for number 9, it says, what would happen to the width of the confidence interval if Gina increased the sample size? So it would decrease, right?
I would say decrease. Is there an option there for that? Is it multiple choice?
Yes. It was increase, no change, or decrease.
Definitely.
So I say decrease. Number 10,
Okay.
what would happen to the width of the confidence interval if Gina changed it to a 99% confidence interval?
So,
Okay, let me look. Pay attention to this one too for your other tests.
it will come closer to the true mean, right? If it's wider, it will, no.
Let's see. I think the higher it goes, the higher the confidence level is. Because question 1 on our homework is kind of the opposite. Which of the following confidence levels will yield the narrowest confidence interval? And it says 90%. So therefore, 99% would make it go up.
Right, and I've got an example here where the confidence level for 99 has a wider interval.
Okay.
So what's our choice on the answer?
So increase. It's because the choices are increase, no change, or decrease.
And that's number 10.
Yes. Question 11 says, Brightbulb Light Bulb Company is planning a study to assess the average life expectancy of their light bulbs. They know the standard deviation is 400 hours. They want a 95% confidence interval with a margin error of 50 hours. What sample size do they need? Round up to the nearest whole number.
Okay.
Okay, so that one formula, let's plug it in. So the standard deviation is 400, and it's a 95% confidence interval.
95?
Uh-huh.
Oh,
And the margin of error is 50 hours.
1.96.
So let me look how to put that all in.
Okay, I've got it right here. It's 1.96 times the standard deviation.
400.
What's the standard deviation? 400?
400.
Divided by,
It would be divided by 50 hours. Okay, and then you square all of it once you're done.
that's right. Okay, what'd you get?
Let me see. I got 245.8624.
That's what I got.
Okay, and then so it's got to go to 246.
246, okay.
So the answer for 11 is 246.
Okay.
Okay, so 12. The mean salary of actuaries is 100,000, and the standard deviation is 36,730. You are interested to know if the mean salary from women's actuaries is different from the population mean, but are not sure if it is higher or lower. You set up a hypothesis test with the level of significance at 0.05. Oh, heavens.
My whole computer just crashed. I mean, my whole website just for BYU.
Oh my gosh, darn it. I'm so sorry. Okay, let's see. Question 12 says, what is the lower limit of this 95 confidence interval?
The load limit. Okay, give us the information.
The lower limit. So
lower
then,
limit. Okay, so give me the information.
okay, so the mean is 100,000.
Okay.
1.96, and then the standard deviation is 36,730. 36730.
Okay.
And then the but it doesn't give us a population. I don't know what it's asking.
Okay.
It gives us the level of significance, which is 0.05. So I don't even remember from last week.
What's significance?
Oh, at the bottom it says you collect a simple random sample of 36 and find the mean to be, okay. So the actual mean is going to be 111,000.
100. Right, just read the numbers to me.
Okay, so the mean is 111,000, 11000, 3 ones, 3 zeros.
Okay.
And then the population is 36. Let me see. Okay, the standard deviation is 36,730. So 36730.
And what are we trying to find?
The lower and upper bounds. So
A 95% confidence?
yes,
Okay.
1.96. They just had to word it so weird.
Okay, so we're doing 36 tracked.
Yeah, 36 for the population.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I don't know. I don't think I did that right.
Did you get 11998.46667?
No, I got a negative number, which
Oh man, why is your computer not working?
I don't know. It totally crashed. I don't know if I can try to bring it back up really quick. But that I was having weird. My kids get on my computer and download stuff. Like, stay off my computer. But I was having trouble with it earlier, trying to do the homework and having these weird pop-ups. But now I'm afraid because I think it took me out of the quiz, so I can only take it one time.
I found that when if you're in the quiz and you just go out of it without ending it, it'll let you back in as if it were the first time.
Oh, okay, good.
Oh, okay, I got a different number now. This makes more sense.
Oh, it says one. Okay, let's see if it's going to let me. If it's saved everything that I've done so far. See if I can get. Let me hang up my answer again. See if I can get somewhere before it crashes on me again. Okay, I'm at 12. Let's see. What? Oh, there's. Oh my gosh. Okay. Sorry, I keep I'm working and then my computer has these pop-ups.
Oh, that's okay. It's not your fault.
9.6. Okay.
I'm just trying to figure out this problem.
The population mean.
I'm doing something wrong.
I still got a negative answer there too.
Yeah, now I'm getting a -2. I'm going to do it one more time.
Okay, so so I'm doing 1.96 minus 111,000 times.
Why are you doing that?
Well, I don't know. Is that what
Oh,
number?
I just do it a different way, so maybe.
What number are you putting in there?
I do it different than you and Ricardo. I divide, first I'm dividing 36730 by the population squared, then I times that to the 1.96.
Oh, that's too confusing for me.
When I get that answer, I add the,
I can't learn another formula.
I know, just stick with what you got. That's why I'm not trying to learn yours. I'm good.
Someday so the standard deviation is 36. Okay. So times we're getting negatives. Oh, I know what I'm doing wrong.
What?
I'm putting the numbers in the wrong order. Okay. I got an answer that looks correct.
Is it 99001.533?
Yes. Yes. Was that
Okay,
what
good. Finally, I got that. So then now the upper bound is just,
so I just did the same problem 25 times the wrong way. Put that whole big number in 5,333,3. Put that whole big number in.
what?
You put that whole big number in 99.
001.533?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now I'll round to the nearest whole number.
Wait, no. We're finding the upper bounds and the lower bounds. So we got to do, wait. Are we doing the wrong, am I doing the wrong thing?
Number 12. The
The lower limit. Yeah, the confidence interval.
lower limit of the confidence interval. But then it says round to the nearest whole number. So that.
Why is it telling us to do that? Whatever. So 2,99002.
It would be, yeah, 99002.
I thought we only did that on the.
Right. But this says it's
Whatever.
like a dollar amount.
Okay.
Now it's 99,000. We don't need to know the cents on that, I guess.
Okay, so then the upper limit would be. Um, 122998. Did you get that?
No, but I gotta do it again. Hold on. Oh, I didn't square it. It didn't square it for me. So hold on. What'd you get? I don't think I got the right answer.
I got 122,998.4667.
See what I did wrong. Somehow it's not square rooting for me. Hold on. Your answer sounds right. So
I'll do it again just to be sure.
I get it. Okay, I think I got your answer. 122,998.
Yes.
Okay.
So just put it in like that as a whole number.
Last one. These three requirements. There are three requirements that need to be checked when computing a confidence interval for me. They are: a simple random sample was drawn from the population.
All of the above.
Yep.
Okay, I'm going to submit it
Okay.
because yours computer's all wacky. Okay, so far so good. And we did it without Ricardo. We won't tell him that.
Okay, let's see.
100%.
Yay.
Thank goodness. Huh?
Oh.
Okay.
Good job.
Yay. Thank you.
You're welcome. See you Friday morning.
All right. Bye.